Let me make some adjustments, my kind sirs. Oh gosh, wrong.
Yeah.
It's drinkable straight, not like.
How do I turn this off?
Yeah,
Turn it off. Tick-a-boom.
Literally just thousands of different booze. I'm telling you now. There is no booze on the
No, that's not what she was saying. Like, she was
Turn
saying,
off.
like the less. The
Turn off.
The less.
I'm trying to talk to my Siri,
The
okay?
less it makes your face go. Kind of shot, then probably the better it is because it's more enjoyable to drink. Because
Turn off. Why doesn't it listen to me? Turn off.
9 times the steps.
Okay.
And drink it. And it's the purest shit
Power off.
ever make.
Yay, it works. See? I'm talking to AI.
Extracting water. Or your
Are the speakers on? No, they're off.
the H2O effect. So the molecules of your drinking ethanol.
Okay, we're good. Did you watch the trailer for the new Game of Thrones show, House of Dragons? I did watch it. Are you guys gonna watch it? The show? A facility play reigns on Castmere. Oh, that's so true. Damn. Thank you for reminding me. I have the door right here, so we should be good. Hopefully.
Any white spirit.
A good thing we found the window though, because this area just have candlelight, so it will probably get very dark eventually. I really want to see it, Dragons Man. I'm gonna see it too. Where there's the air? There's the air on. Oh, what is it called? HBO? Castamere. HBO? Okay, that's what I thought. I used to be an adventurer like you, and then I took an arrow to the knee. You guys reminded me of that song? What song? I will ... get a copy of it. I'm gonna have to leave you guys eventually to go to the bathroom after this.
Potatoes, which is starchy.
The workers have to use medieval speech, and you are there commanding your robots. I'm sorry. Is the mug heavy? It's a little heavy actually. It's definitely heavier than a normal, mug with beer in it. But the beer is really good. The leave us with the medieval men. I'm sorry, I have to. It's your task. I have to go on a side quest, guys. I'm just going on a side quest. It's fun, right? Yeah, it is. This looks cozy. It's pretty cozy.
Massively. Yeah, the same sense that
You can take us to the to the bathroom. #TOS. I'm just going on a side quest. And I can't bring you guys with me, I'm sorry. It's a quest for one. It's not a duo quest. Don't drink too much. Yeah, don't worry about it. This guy will come to talk with us, probably.
it's the
Gamer skills? It's just fitting, okay? It's fitting for the environment. How are you, Teacher, by the way?
Should we offset it with some Epsom salt?
I'm not gonna take you guys to the bathroom, don't worry about it.
Lemon juice.
I'm not that crazy. Can you guys hear me, by the way, or is the music too loud?
Decrease the pH.
The toilet looks like something Tywin Lannister ended up on.
When you do your
Oh no. Oh, I think the toilets are fine. I've used the toilets here before, actually. Norwegians are good with alcohol. True. It's just my second beer, so it should be fine.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the lamp.
Oh! Yeah. Sorry, I'll
So
make
this
this.
is weapon stevens here.
Ah.
Here is the lamp stew.
Oh, thank you.
No, I explained the food as well. So this is barley with hazelnuts.
Oh,
Some
this
cheese,
one?
yeah, cheesecake with herbs, lentils with spices, some London merchant saffron masala, also minded olives and minded garlic.
Ah,
Enjoy
thank
this.
you. Thank you. Got it. Dum, dum, dum. Meal. Oh my gosh, no. I guess it was nothing. Oh? What do you mean? Show us? Oh yeah, I'll show you guys. He didn't say my lady? Oh no. There you go. Whoa.
Yeah.
We got it. This is the dish. Hey, this deserves a good tip. True.
Yeah, but if you're making 4,000 watts,
It looks very medieval, doesn't it? Looks very authentic. True. Do you guys take toilet paper from work? I have never done it, but I know that people do. Honestly, you probably could. Oh, I can't see anything. I never thought about that. Let me get a knife. Or a weapon, as he said. Are those scrambled eggs? No, it's not scrambled eggs. Oh no.